Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know you guys miss me. Yeah, I miss you all too. I sold my undercar because if you check my video, I've been posting recent more on undercar. So now I just bought this Toyota Highlander. So before we go on with this video, I would like you to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell button so you can get notification whenever I drop a new video. So I brought this Highlander and it's been working so fine for me, but recently I noticed from the front cover, whenever I start the car, it's make some kind of clicking, or let me say clicking noise. And after thorough checking and everything, I think the noise is coming from the water pump and from one of the roller. Yes, because it's been working fine, but I wanted to fix this. So whenever you're hearing a kind of sound from your engine from the front side, it's either it's the crankshaft or the roller for the belts or the water pump tank.